Imagine waking up tomorrow and offering design services without complicated software or years of practice. This video shows you how. Today, I'll reveal how to launch a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly freelance design business using ChatGPT and Canva. Design is an easy online service to sell. Businesses constantly need graphics, social posts, posters, covers, banners, and more. You can create Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, business flyers, event promos, real estate graphics, and even full branding kits. The best part? You never start from a blank page. ChatGPT provides all the copy you need, saving you hours of work. Here's the powerful prompt that will revolutionize your design process. Ask ChatGPT to act as a creative director, requesting 3 layout ideas, 3 color palettes, and short text for your graphic. ChatGPT will deliver a complete breakdown, including headline options, color recommendations, and multiple layout ideas. Simply pick your favorite. Now let's move into Canva, your personal design studio. In Canva, search for a template that matches your chosen style. This way, you never have to start from scratch. Replace the text with ChatGPT's copy, update the colors, make small adjustments, and your professional design is ready. Getting your first paying client is much simpler than it seems. Let me show you how. Start with local businesses. Search on Google Maps for cafes, gyms, or real estate agents, and offer to redesign 3 posts for free. Create a Fiverr gig for AI-assisted social media design with fast turnaround, and offer bundles of graphics for tiered pricing. When you're ready to scale, expand your services to branding kits, YouTube channel art, and more, using the same ChatGPT and Canva formula. Subscribe for more AI side hustle ideas and download your free AI Money Starter Kit to earn your first $50 with AI in under an hour.